You arrest me?
We have to make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or.
Okay. So
but I'm
the question
not
I have.
Impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is: would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
November 21, 2025, a quiet night on the streets of a small Florida town. A car is weaving through traffic, no headlights on, doing 66 miles per hour in a 45 zone.
Officer Delayed in the Cape Coral Police Department. The reason I pulled you over is you passed us going 51 on Del Prado, and then you're going about 65 on Veterans, driving in and out of traffic. Do you have your license and registration on you?
Yeah, I need napkins. I have sinus problems. I think my registration's in here. I don't know. Hold on, let me give you my license.
Okay.
That.
Thank you. Any luck on that registration?
Yes, I have my registration. I gotta find. Hold on. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, you're sorry.
I don't know where the put it. Honestly, it's in a book. Or oh wait. Hold on.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I picked them up.
Who's them?
Them.
Friends, family?
Friends.
Yep.
Here, love.
Thank you.
Inside, a 28-year-old woman behind the wheel and two passengers she literally just met at a bar. When the officer flips on his lights, which should have been a quick ticket spirals into total mayhem.
We don't need it right now. You've seen this?
Yeah.
Have you used it on a DUI investigation?
I've not known.
Alright, so the way this works is, so you're going to ask her to step out of the car. She comes out, you're going to explain to her that you've got some signs of impairment. You're going to start a DUI investigation. If she asks what you're talking about, you could say, you got odor of alcohol coming from you.
Slurred speech.
There's slurred speech, bloodshot glassy eyes. Did she have bloodshot glassy eyes?
A little bit.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't have a perfect look of her eyes, but her speech was slurred, and then I had to keep reminding her to get her registration.
All right. And then you can just say that there's a few other items that I'm seeing. You don't have to go into great detail because then it can become an argument.
Yeah.
But at least you have two indicators, right?
Body cams rolling, every second of this meltdown is caught on tape. She refuses her ID, refuses the field sobriety tests, refuses to cooperate, and ends up face down on the pavement in handcuffs. This is the moment a simple traffic stop became a textbook example of how not to act when the police pull you over.
Hello, ma'am. Would you step out for me?
Why?
I'm asking you to, please.
No, but I need to know why.
Well, I don't have to tell you why, but I'm going to. I sense some signs of impairment.
Oh my.
Just wait in the car. Just wait in the car.
Oh, okay. All right.
Why does it make everything complicated?
Let's relax. It's okay.
Step out for me.
Right from the jump, the officer smells alcohol, thick, unmistakable. The driver's speech is slurred, her eyes are glassy, and she can't even find her registration. She's just picked up two strangers from a bar and is now speeding through traffic with no headlights off. In Florida, that's already multiple tickets, but the odor of alcohol instantly flips this into a DUI investigation. The passengers sit quietly in the back, stunned. She, however, decides to fight every single request.
But why? Can I ask why?
Yeah, we'll go over it once we're out here.
Okay.
Yeah, just step over here for me.
So the reason I have you come out is because we're seeing signs of impairment and we want to start a DUI investigation. That means you participating in standardized field sobriety evaluations. Are you willing to participate in standardized field?
No, I'm not impaired. I'm dropping them off over here. I'm going home. I live right off of Nicholas.
Okay. So the only way we can go forward from this is if you participate. If you don't participate, we have to make our judgment based off the observations we've seen so far.
What is your judgment for you to feel that way?
You have slurred speech, an odor of alcohol.
I don't have slurred speech. I don't have alcohol.
If you don't participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations, then you can't dispel our fear of your impairment. Okay? So are you willing to participate in standardized field sobriety evaluations?
What does that include?
We're going to check your eyes, and then we're going to have you do the walk and turn and the one leg stand.
Whatever.
Okay.
So you're willing.
Here's exactly why this explodes. She's hammered, but denial is in full control. Alcohol shuts down the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that says, shut up and cooperate. Instead, she argues, rolls her eyes, and demands proof of every observation. The officers stay ice calm and repeatedly offer her the standardized field sobriety tests, the same ones used across America and backed by science with over 90% accuracy. These tests could have given her a chance to prove she's okay to drive. She refuses everything.
I'm not blowing, but you can do whatever the you want to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just step right in front of the car over here.
So you put you in front of the light so you can feel impaired. Fantastic.
Well, why would the light make you feel impaired?
Because it puts your judgment off, obviously.
All right, so I have some questions for you, okay? Are you sick and injured at all?
But why did you pull me over? Why
pulled
did you
you
pull,
over
Why was I pulled over?
First off, you passed us going 51 on Del Prado. We followed you on Veterans, weaving in and out of traffic, going 60 miles an hour on Veterans.
66 miles.
66 miles an hour.
What? Do you have your proof of that?
Yes. Our observations.
Our
Yes.
observations. As long as
Observation is proof?
yeah.
I don't
Do you want to participate?
If I don't, then what? You arrest me?
We have to
Make it a judgment.
What's your judgment?
It's up to you whether or not you want to participate.
I mean, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
If I were or weren't speeding, I'm not saying either or,
So
but
the
I'm
question
not
I have.
impaired.
Okay, so my question for you is, would you like to participate in some field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear that you may be intoxicated?
That single word, refuse, seals her fate. In Florida, you have the right to refuse field tests and the breathalyzer, but refusal means automatic license suspension and gives officers probable cause to arrest based on observations alone. She starts pulling away, yelling, I'm resisting, in sarcastic protest while actively fighting the cuffs. 3 officers have to take her to the ground. The passengers, released on the spot. They did nothing wrong.
Oh my God, I'm 100 pounds. I'm resisting.
Stop
Oh,
resisting.
Woohoo, I'm resisting. What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do?
Stop pulling away.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Stop resisting.
What did I
Stop
do?
pulling.
Tensing up. Stop.
I'm okay. I'm tensing up. Okay, I got 3 cops on me, and I'm 130 pounds, not even, and I'm tensing up. Okay. What the f is that?
Stop pulling.
Really? This is okay. Okay. But I need my phone and I need my wallet.
Okay.
If you want to arrest me.
Here you go.
Handcuffed on the asphalt, mascara running, she finally realizes the night is over. The car is towed, full of open containers. She spends the night in jail.
Let's do it right
A
now.
sample of your breath.
Let's do it right now.
Okay, we're gonna
right now. Let's do
take you down
it. Let's do it.
Get in the car right now. You open that again, you're going to jail. Do you understand me?
You're grabbing me like that?
Will you keep tensing up?
Oh, okay. You know what's funny?
Go ahead and pat her down, put her in the car.
Yeah.
Come over here for me. Come over here.
Stop pulling.
Hey, record this.
Stop tensing up.
Are you trying to? What are you doing, bro? Are you trying to like assault me? Ew, she's grabbing me.
Stop tensing up.
Tensing up, she's grabbing my. What's on me? Look at me. Back up. What's on me? What's on me?
Sit down.
I want my wallet and my keys.
Get
and
in
my
the car.
phone. Where's all my... Really? Okay. Okay. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna get sued. You're gonna...
Charged with DUI, driving under the influence, resisting arrest without violence, no driver's license, no registration displayed, open container violations. She pleads guilty to a reduced charge of physical control of a vehicle while impaired, still a first-degree misdemeanor. Sentence: 6 months probation, mandatory DUI school, 50 hours community service, 6-month license suspension, fines, and court costs. No jail time avoided only because it was her first offense. Why do people refuse the tests when they're clearly drunk?
They're just trying to get to the next bar, and that's all that was happening. And she said, we'll take you to the next bar, and that was it. That was all that happened to me.
So you don't know her personally at all?
No, sir. No, sir.
We just met her at Rusty's.
Yeah, we just met her tonight. We were only at Rusty's for like an hour, and then we went to the deck. We had one drink there, and then we're on our way here. And we were like, would you mind dropping us off? And then she's like, yeah, I can take you. And then we didn't know she was doing this, like at her to stay speed limit. We didn't know. And yes, I know it's illegal double passengering. But she was just going to drop us off here, and we were going to Uber from here. That's it.
Do you guys have licenses or ID cards?
Yes, I have ID, yes. I just don't know why she was making, like I said, I don't know why she would make a big scene. And, like, you guys were just telling her to get out. That was it. She don't be like, why this, why that. Just following the rules, just do what they say, please. Like, I was trying to tell her, but she's like...
It's the #1 mistake drunk drivers make, and here's exactly why it backfires every time. Refusal doesn't beat the system, it hands the case to the officer on a silver platter. Their observations, slurred speech, odor, bad driving, become the entire evidence. Conviction rate? Still over 70%. Automatic penalties kick in immediately. In Florida, first refusal equals 1 year license suspension, even if you beat the DUI charge. You look guilty on body cam. Juries hate it when someone won't take the tests. It screams, I know I'll fail. You lose the chance to prove you're sober. The tests are your only shot to walk away with a warning or minor ticket. Bottom line, refusing the field test is like folding with a royal flush. You're giving the house the win. This stop could have ended with a ticket and an Uber home. Instead, it ended in handcuffs, probation, and a criminal record, all because one word: no. Takeaways you can actually use. If you've been drinking, do not drive. Call a ride. It's cheaper than jail. When police ask for field tests, politely participating is almost always the smarter move. And it's 100% legal to refuse. Just know the consequences. Open containers in the car equals automatic extra charges in most states. Never pick up strangers when you're drunk. You're responsible for everyone in the vehicle. This woman turned a minor traffic stop into a life-changing nightmare in under 10 minutes. Don't be that person. What do you think? Should refusing the field test carry even harsher penalties? Were the officers too quick to arrest? Or did she leave them no choice? Drop your opinion in the comments. Smash subscribe for more real body cam stories that teach real lessons. And join patreon.com/MidwestCrime for exclusive breakdowns. Stay safe out there. One bad decision can cost you everything.